Welcome to Beautyistic, where today I'm diving into a standout in the world of body and face paint, Mehron Makeup's Paradise AQ Face and Body Paint in the shade light blue. For those who enjoy cosplay, theatrical makeup, or simply love to experiment with body art, this is a product that promises a lot and certainly delivers on many fronts. Starting with the basics, Mehron Paradise AQ is a water-activated face and body paint that's known for its rich pigmentation and smooth application. This 1.4-ounce 40-gram pot is part of a pro-size collection, which includes over 40 shades, giving you an impressive color range to work with. Now, what makes this paint unique? Well, it's all about the formulation. This isn't just any face paint. It's infused with skin-loving ingredients like aloe, avocado oil, cucumber, lemongrass, and cocoa seed butter, designed to soothe and nourish your skin as you create. My experience with the product was honestly a joy from start to finish. The paint activates quickly with water, so all you need is a damp sponge or brush and you're ready to go. The color payoff is phenomenal. Just one swipe of light blue and you get a vibrant, opaque layer of color. Blending with other colors in the range is smooth, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to create gradients or complex designs. Once applied, it dries relatively quickly and doesn't easily smudge, which is fantastic for longer wear. Performance-wise, this paint holds up impressively. I wore it for several hours, testing it under different conditions, and it stayed put. However, it's worth noting that this is not a waterproof formula, so be mindful of rain or sweat if you're planning to wear it for extended periods. It's an ideal pick for indoor events, photo shoots, or environments where you won't be dealing with moisture. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, you've got intense pigmentation, skin-friendly ingredients, and a wide shade range. The biggest downside, while it's generally long-lasting, it's not waterproof, which could be a limitation depending on how you plan to use it. Also, while Mehron's Paradise AQ is a premium product, it does come at a slightly higher price point compared to other body paints. For reference, products like Snazaroo face paints offer a decent alternative at a lower cost, but they may not have the same blendability or skin conditioning properties. In terms of value for money, Mehron Paradise AQ justifies its cost with quality ingredients and a fantastic user experience. The build quality of the product itself is excellent. The paint feels luxurious, and it has a pleasant, faint scent from the botanical extracts, which enhances the overall experience. It's also cruelty-free, which is always a bonus for conscientious shoppers. The user-friendliness is a standout feature. It's intuitive and easy to use for both beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're a seasoned makeup artist or just starting out, this paint is forgiving and versatile, perfect for both intricate details and broader coverage. As for customer support, Mehron has a good reputation for responsive service, so you can count on them if you have any issues or questions about the product. If you're enjoying this review and want more helpful insights into beauty products, remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Your support helps Beautyistic continue bringing you the latest and greatest in beauty. In conclusion, Mehron Paradise AQ Face and Body Paint is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their face and body painting game. It's not only suited for casual use, but also for professional environments like film sets, theaters, or costume events. If you're in the market for a high-quality, reliable face and body paint that respects your skin, Mehron Paradise AQ should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the product link below, so feel free to check it out and see for yourself. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And for anyone considering it, don't hesitate to ask questions. We're here to help you make informed choices.